Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal's sunlit capital where every street corner feels like a painting. If you're planning a trip in 2025, this is your ultimate guide. Let's explore the must-see attractions, hidden corners, and unforgettable views. Start your journey in Alfama, Lisbon's oldest neighborhood. Cobblestone alleys, colorful buildings, fado music floating through the air. Hop on Tram 28. It's not just public transport, it's a time machine. This classic yellow tram winds through Lisbon's historic heart, giving you front-row views of Alfama, Baixa and Graça. Next stop, Belém, home to two of Lisbon's most iconic landmarks. First, the Belém Tower. Built in the 1500s to protect the city's harbor, it stands proudly on the Tagus River, a stunning example of Manueline architecture. Just nearby, visit the Jerónimos Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that took nearly a century to build. Its details are mind-blowing, from stone carvings to vast cloisters. Now head to LX Factory, an old industrial complex turned creative district. Think street art, independent shops, rooftop cafes and vintage bookstores. One place you can't skip, L'Air Devagar, a giant bookstore with moving art and thousands of hanging books. Before sunset, make your way to Miradouro da Senhora do Monte. It's Lisbon's best viewpoint, hands down. Watch the city glow gold, terracotta rooftops, trams clinking in the distance, and the river stretching out to the Atlantic. Want something a little quieter? Try Miradouro de Santa Catarina for a peaceful view and great photo ops. Lisbon is a city built on hills, but every climb gives you a reward worth capturing. Let's continue our journey through Lisbon, and now it's time to eat. Start at the Time Out Market. This place is a food hall dream. Over 40 stalls featuring top Lisbon chefs and local legends. Try the grilled sardines, savory, smoky, fresh off the flame. Then the bacalhau à brás, a traditional dish of shredded cod, scrambled eggs, onions and potatoes. Still hungry? You can't leave without a pastel de nata. Head to Manteigaria or Pastel de Belém, crispy outside, creamy inside. Sprinkle cinnamon and powdered sugar for the full experience. Looking for a chill escape? Take a 40-minute train ride from Cais do Sodré to Cascais. It's a charming beach town with golden sand, fresh seafood, and postcard-perfect streets. Perfect for a day trip and sunset by the sea. Back in Lisbon, it's time for nightlife. Head to Pink Street. Yes, the street is literally painted pink. By day, a quiet photo spot. By night, Lisbon's liveliest bars and rooftop lounges light up the area. For a deeper vibe, explore Bairro Alto. Small bars, live music, locals, travelers, and unforgettable energy. Now let's talk hidden gems. Visit the Museu Nacional do Azulejo, a museum dedicated to Portugal's beautiful ceramic tiles. Or stroll through Campo de Ourique. It's a local neighborhood with fewer tourists and a great indoor market. For something unusual, find the Livraria Bertrand in Chiado. It's the oldest operating bookstore in the world. Open since 1732. Travel tips for Lisbon 2025. Get a Viva Viagem card. It gives you unlimited metro, tram and ferry rides, cheap and super convenient. Pack comfortable shoes. Lisbon is hilly and cobblestones can be tricky. Visit in spring or fall. Avoid the tourist rush and enjoy perfect weather. Learn a few words of Portuguese. Even obrigado for thank you goes a long way. Lisbon is more than just a destination. It's a rhythm, a flavor, a memory waiting to be made. Whether you come for a weekend or stay for weeks, Lisbon will stay with you forever. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic travel guides from around the world.